Flavor City family, what is up? Art and Bobby back in the kitchen to share a recipe for a no sugar added, keto and diabetic friendly margarita. Because back on Cinco de Mayo, we did a live stream with a huge feast and we made these margaritas and they were great. And now that it's summer, I figure it's appropriate to share it with you guys because we just finished the video for the sugar-free lemonade recipe. If you haven't seen that video, watch that one as soon as this one finishes. It's really good. And the margarita uses that monk fruit simple syrup to make it no sugar added, and you can't even tell the difference. So we're gonna rock that quick and easy, and then we're gonna make a horchata margarita with coconut milk and cinnamon that is so darn good. Before we do, like, subscribe, share. That's the only way this channel keeps growing. And to make sure you don't miss a video, there's a bell icon below the video. Enable all notifications to get notifications about videos and live streams. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is make our simple syrup. I have one made here already. Normally a simple syrup is a sugar bomb. It's equal parts water and sugar. This, my friends, is equal parts monk fruit sweetener and water. You just add 1.5 cups each to a pot. Bring it to a simmer until it dissolves, let it cool down, and that's it. The beauty of this is that it's a 1-to-1 sub with a normal simple syrup, but it's 0 on the glycemic index and has no carbs or calories, and you can't even tell the difference. So to make our margarita, I'm gonna add some ice to my shaker. It's just so funny because I rarely ever make cocktails, but when I made this on the live stream, it was fantastic. So put a good handful of ice. You can use any tequila you want. Typically, recipes call for a blanco. We have this good bottle of añejo, which means it's aged for at least a year. We brought back from Mexico a few years ago. So I'm just gonna use that because why not just do a top shelf margarita that would probably cost like 20 bucks at a restaurant. I need 2 ounces of tequila, which is the 40 ml side plus the 20. I need about 20 mLs or 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And a little more because I'm messy. And 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, which would be about the juice of half plus a little more. Let's clean my mess here. Obviously, I'm not gonna be a knockoff for Tom Cruise in Cocktail, but you do want to shake it pretty aggressively for about 20-30 seconds to really chill down the drink. If you watch that live stream, I had the hardest time getting this off. I think if I maybe just kind of like put a towel around this and tap it in. Ah! It's kind of sad. The guy making a margarita video can't even open up the thing here. There we go. There we go. I think the bartenders use a straw, but oh, that's good. I want a little more sweetness in there. There we go. And then just garnish with a lime wheel. There it is. Now listen, if you go to a bar, this will easily cost you for a normal margarita that has Blanco tequila, 12 bucks. The way I just did it probably cost about $3. So darn tasty and refreshing. Tequila añejo is my drink of choice. And when it's no sugar added, keto and diabetic friendly like this, that's the way to go. Normal margaritas will use Cointreau, triple sec, and orange liqueur. I don't want to use those because those have added sugars, caramel coloring, artificial flavors. You don't want those in your body. This is a much cleaner version of that. So this is done. Now let's make a coconut and cinnamon horchata margarita that's absolutely delicious. Add some ice to a shaker. Add 2 ounces of your tequila of choice. Add just over 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. The juice of half a lime plus a little more. And then open a can of really good coconut milk. I like the ones that have no guar gum or emulsifiers. And splash in about 2 ounces or so. And then add about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oh, I can never open this. Stick to food, Bobby. Ah! There we go. Check it for seasoning. That's really good. I'm going to add a little more coconut milk. Pour it into your cup. Look at the color, you guys. That's easily a $20 drink. $25 if you're using Top Chef tequila like me. Maybe a little dusting of cinnamon on top. Cheers, you guys. Salud. This looks gorgeous. More importantly, it's creamy, it's sweet, it's acidic, and that añejo tequila. Good thing it's Friday. We're good to go. Gonna make some more margaritas for Art, for Dessi. That's how you want to roll in the summertime. Whether it's sugar-free lemonade, no sugar added margarita that's keto friendly, that's how you want to get your drink on. Pair it with some tacos or a little bit of a keto burrito bowl from our cookbook. You're good to go. Recipe is down below. Super easy. Make it. Tag me on social media when you do. Like, subscribe, share. It's the only way this channel keeps growing, but we got 2 more videos below us right now. Art and I will see you very soon. Until then, hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Horchata all day.